Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download apps without payment method in iPhone. Alright, so let's begin. Many people face this issue when they don't have a credit card or simply don't want to link any billing option to their Apple ID. So this method will make things much easier for you. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down a little and tap on General. Now from here, scroll down again and select Language and Region. After that, tap on region and make sure your country or region is selected correctly. If needed, you can change it from here, then go back. Now the next step is to access your Apple ID settings. For that, tap on your profile at the top of settings. After opening your profile, scroll down and tap on Media and Purchases, then select View Account. It may ask you to sign in, so simply enter your Apple ID password and tap on the Sign In button. Once you're inside your account settings, tap on Country or Region. Here you will see an option called Change Country or Region. Tap on it and select your desired country. For example, I will select United Kingdom. After selecting, tap Agree on the terms and conditions. Now you'll reach the payment section. Here's the important part. If you don't want to add a payment method, simply select None. After that, you will need to fill in some billing details like your name and address. Just enter valid information, then tap Done. Once everything is done, your Apple ID will no longer require a payment method. Now you can go to the App Store and download apps without any issues. And that's it. This is how you can download apps without payment method in iPhone. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.